Imagine for a moment being able to access someone's name, phone number, and even their location with just a few clicks on your computer. It might sound like something out of a spy movie, but in reality, this is the power of OSINT, open source intelligence. With the right tools and knowledge, information that was once hidden or hard to find is now at your fingertips, available to anyone who knows where to look. Today, I'll introduce you to 20 free OSINT tools that professionals around the world use every day to gather information, legally and ethically. These tools are not just for experts. Anyone can use them to uncover valuable data, whether for research, journalism, cybersecurity, or personal safety. But remember, this isn't about stalking or invading privacy. The true purpose of OSINT is to empower you with knowledge, not to turn information into a weapon. It's about using data responsibly and understanding the impact your actions can have. OSINT, or open source intelligence, is all about collecting data from publicly available sources, like websites, social media, and public records, to gain actionable insights. It's a powerful skill that can help you solve problems, investigate threats, or simply stay informed in a digital world. Our main goal here is to help you understand how OSINT works, so you can better protect your own data and privacy. By learning these techniques, you'll be more aware of what information about you is out there and how to safeguard it. Please remember, any misuse of these tools for illegal or unethical activities is your responsibility. Always stay ethical, stay smart, and use this knowledge for good. Education is the key to responsible use. Are you ready to become an information gathering machine and take your research skills to the next level? Let's get started and unlock the true potential of OSINT together. First up is Namechk, a powerful tool in the digital age. It's a simple yet effective tool for tracking usernames across various platforms, ensuring your online identity is unique. Just enter a username, and Namechk scans numerous sites to see where it's used, providing a comprehensive overview. Green means taken, gray means available. People often reuse usernames, making this tool invaluable. This helps map digital footprints and manage personal brands, crucial for maintaining a consistent online presence. Check your usernames for impersonation risks, protecting your digital identity from potential threats. Namechk is foundational for deeper investigations. It's simple, fast, and effective, making it an essential tool for anyone serious about their online presence. Next is HaveIBeenPwned, essential for digital security. Enter an email to see if it's been in a data breach. It reveals which breaches exposed your data, offering a historical map of digital life. Change compromised passwords immediately. Password reuse is risky. For OSINT, it validates emails and exposes security vulnerabilities. A must-have tool for personal and investigative use. Social Searcher is your go-to for tracking online conversations. It scans multiple networks for public posts and mentions in real time. Search by name, username, or keyword for a comprehensive overview. Understand public opinion and track a target's activity. Build behavioral profiles by analyzing interactions and interests. It's a powerful tool for listening to the internet's public square. Hunter.io is perfect for finding professional email addresses. Enter a domain to discover associated emails and common formats. It provides a confidence score for accuracy. Use it to deduce professional emails for social engineering or verification. Hunter bridges the gap between a name and direct contact, a clean, simple interface for powerful data gathering. The OSINT framework is like a master key, unlocking access to countless open-source intelligence tools and resources from across the web. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investigator, it's your gateway to a world of information. The site presents an interactive mind map, where OSINT resources are neatly organized by category, making it easy to visualize the vast landscape of available tools. With just a click, you can dive into subcategories, instantly revealing specialized tools tailored for your specific investigative needs, from usernames to social networks and more. The framework acts as your expert guide, streamlining your workflow and saving you hours of tedious manual searching by pointing you directly to the best resources. It encourages you to think like a true investigator, prompting you to explore every possible avenue of inquiry and helping you map out your research strategy step by step. The OSINT framework is more than just a collection of links. It's both an educational resource and a practical toolkit, empowering you to learn, discover, and apply OSINT techniques with confidence. FaceCheck.ID is a reverse image search for faces. Upload a photo, and it scans the internet for matches. It finds public profiles and identifies unknown individuals. Ethical considerations are crucial. Misuse is warned against. Use it to identify persons of interest or uncover fake profiles. A powerful tool with advanced facial recognition capabilities. What's My Name takes username searches to the next level. It queries hundreds of platforms, including niche forums and networks. Results are categorized, revealing a target's online subcultures. Discover hobbies and interests by finding usernames on specific sites. It's about casting a wide net for comprehensive reconnaissance, a top-tier choice for thorough username investigation. Intelligence X delves into the internet's depths. It indexes historical websites, data leaks, and dark web documents. Search for emails, domains, IPs, and more for revealing results. Discover old websites or leaked data for hidden connections. It's digital archaeology, uncovering information thought deleted. A reminder that online, deleted rarely means gone forever. Skopenow bridges online data with real-world information. It aggregates public records and social media content into profiles. Uncover hidden profiles and link data to single identities. Designed for enterprise use, it shows modern OSINT capabilities. Automated tools correlate data for detailed life pictures. A sobering look at how little is truly private anymore. BuiltWith is your tool for website reconnaissance. Enter a URL for a detailed tech breakdown of the site. Discover content management systems, analytics, and servers. For ethical hackers, it reveals potential vulnerabilities. For investigators, it shows business relationships. A technical tool offering a unique intelligence angle. Shodan searches for internet-connected devices. It scans for webcams, printers, and industrial systems. Results show device banners with technical info. Find unsecured devices and understand security postures. For OSINT, discover target company devices and networks. A powerful look at the internet's exposed underbelly. TinEye excels in reverse image searching. It finds exact or near-exact image copies and tracks origins. Upload an image to trace its online history. Verify identities and debunk misinformation. Discover if profile pictures are stock photos or stolen. TinEye is focused and exceptional at finding image origins. EmailRep.io assesses email address risk. It aggregates data to determine spam or phishing history, provides risk scores and detailed email legitimacy info. Screen new signups and validate target emails. A low-risk score indicates a legitimate contact. Adds trust and context to email investigations. Maltego visualizes data connections on a graph. Start with info and run transforms to gather related data. Discover hidden relationships and connections. See the forest for the trees in complex networks. Uncover connections between seemingly unrelated entities. A game changer for serious investigations. Whois Lookup queries domain registration details. Find contact info, creation dates, and registrant details. Privacy protection may redact info, but older domains often reveal it. Determine site legitimacy and find registrar info. A simple check that can unlock valuable insights. Essential for any investigation starting with a website. Creepy aggregates geolocation data from social media. It maps location data from posts and photo metadata. See a person's life mapped out over time. A reminder to check privacy settings and post mindfully. Use ethically for tracking movements in investigations. Data can build a detailed profile of movements. Sherloq combines reverse image search with metadata analysis. Upload images for multi-engine searches and metadata extraction. Discover camera details, timestamps, and GPS coordinates. Metadata reveals hidden stories within images. Investigate anonymous accounts with metadata clues. Sherloq streamlines image origin and data analysis. FOCA extracts metadata from public documents. Scan websites for PDFs and analyze hidden information. Discover author names, software versions, and network paths. Identify employees and map organizational structures. Automate tedious manual document analysis. Organizations unknowingly leak sensitive info through documents. Recon-ng is a modular reconnaissance framework. Use command line interface for systematic data gathering. Automate tasks and chain modules for thorough recon. Organize findings in a database for analysis. A steep learning curve, but a step towards professional investigation. Operate complex machinery for systematic reconnaissance. Spiderfoot automates OSINT with a user-friendly interface. Query over 200 data sources for comprehensive info. Correlate results in interactive graphs and reports. The ultimate passive reconnaissance tool. Gather vast information without ever touching target systems. Encapsulates automated, large-scale OSINT collection. We've explored 20 powerful OSINT tools. The information available is staggering. Use it to protect your digital life. OSINT can protect or destroy, depending on the user. Use this knowledge ethically and legally. With great power comes great responsibility. Stay safe, stay curious, and continue learning about cybersecurity.